Mami kwa omane so na mene the former presiding member for KMA or assembly member Emma Rage in Shayeso Abraham Bodi aka Opoman including command pay on this issue. Opo memo achiano pay.
Mike Mejo so.
Bibi aboko.
Na me bravo. Kofi.
Kofi atiana chi akra.
Okay. Me chiano so.
Very well. Opo mo kwache baby agana toye no. At the end of the day, what was the decision by the assembly? Etimi ama kwan ama enra part of the building no you're pulling it down.
Well, Yanko meeting, Yanko meeting. So there is no decision now. Omako Buheng.
From the mosque on the side on about 5 shops there. Omabuagu and T enra basin there. You're the phone now and ama omare draw back. So we assembly member before na mo be connect community saying what the decision taken at the emergency meeting amoya last week.
Kobi mention the Mike make say ejuma ye no ye nyina ye pre Kumasi intuntu but to da mo central for na mo gina how to neutralize everything no more fairness na ba no Mike on come ebi ni no kure dodo na bi no ni no kure ene journalism na bi dia yesika it onya no ho no tika papam na uchika papa no nya good station e ne say ana e nkrofo so be good journalist but they are the people they are destroying the system I'm a system in there and these are the same people who work with the top hierarchy. Oh, quiet, you be defending. Quiet, wow, be who no crowd be cano near Tajo, so in the problem. Near me one na we so ever ubi ever come for poor man who had drink, chief executive biba, ne hon tunnel that if the chief executive starts to disrespect the assembly, what do you want me to do? Minia, and then MP Moody. Go forward be a potential MPO. But I used to custom this minister can be. It's everything said. Prime Minister Kwame me winning Namsumeko. I believe in universal idol suffrage election. And until the assembly in India, oh, you're why I'm in Obeko. Because to do election, you're no credit. Number winning. That's a minyasa to me where now me now say the church minima. Not fair to the Constitution of the Republic of Ghana. Million. Tano, you confirmed chief executive the last 2 weeks Thursday around 10-11. The next week Wednesday around 10-11 p.m. and 7-8 p.m. and a better assembly, 9th assembly platforms to say you call emergency meeting. In the normal circumstances, no let any answer we but according platforms here that should be the official service. Adia Chiyano, ye meeting, a emergency meeting on only one item to discuss. Fire outbreak or blue light, and ye called the report. Meaning I call you now on the report now. Am I? Utro dia, maybe throw me din, now me also 29. The program will be a report, man. You had a report to my meeting in the shaft, you know. Precise member told us, chief executive, the report in between, near man approval. And I'm approval on what? Document, volume, and I'm about 20 something to 30. What is the mayor approval? I will find vessel. No. Only before the assembly, now you question for be a next meeting can say, I did say holiday Friday. But assembly no authority to someone else because you can go to meeting at any time. You question the next day no, you no good Friday na kayemege. And also, if I no ready read bra, na ya de any akase ni man kwan man ready. Etimi you already read plan you say nyama wa me dia hu. E da nyama kwan ya bla yen. The name only been said. Also, Kobu Daniel Miansabu. A quantum original Sokobu Dynagua, the city engineer, I a structural integrity test, and Tianun original for and yes, okay. See, never outbreak in the assembly members as an assembly, no, young call sin ho. Second, you study documents, no. It my Yamayan Jai. Nayanu, you know, question ho, and correct situation, no. Now you are Yamabukum, Nian Family, Nian Samba to the decision. Mike, I hear about one day saying when he said, in the same report, you know, I was seeing you man in Kobudino. Yes, after no good anywhere, offer stakeholder engagement. Abra and Kawoba and him no, I would report in Ebano and engineer any team in our stakeholders engagement. Yeah, anyway, saying you know, you perceive a good dino, you are very messy, and now buying this car. You person one Musidia. This is how you perceive anything like this wasn't in the document. But your money for we are just to follow no. That is after no Okosia.
EZRA 94.
Before now, I'm watching it. Now, because I won't buy any more credit before no Musia. It now suggesting any presiding member and I say, okay, you're not approval. Near man of fine one follow steps, you know, and somewhere demolition. Yes, no. I stood up in Amkasai. So your approval, a working document, it gives the mayor authority to destroy it or demolish it. Now for demolition of Busana, I better tell you your authority for the assembly members. So that will be when one max Mike, Babu Sam said, there is very general so the man authority. Young woman said, it is how they are. The table motion, no, amendment motion. Just bring the document into, but they are taking the steps of some of meet the traders, stakeholders engagement, discuss about the demolition and how we will build it. It won't quite start in year. They have been collecting hono. They have been a bar. That was the end. Emotional. Yajitu mono. Opia authority. So to me, at the end, and now
I see. But as we speak, Baba 5 shops there. Oh, Bogu. And around 5:19, now still meetings with the mayor. And they even say, you're the foreigner leadership no sankusia mayor. But by 5 shops, they won't Bogu. So, can't we say, after some of us seen Hono, Ebia Mayor song will say, Baba, Tino Maja to say, Omumu, and Obogui.
Maybe to my understanding, and as far as minimum assembly, no experience, no, a total disrespect to the assembly, number one. Mayor, in fact, media assembly, no. They say he was starting a show disrespect to the assembly because he thought, after all, I'm with my. That is my imagination. Because we cannot approve at the assembly level, say the effect here. It's young say we are Sanya, say, Kohebra. Now, for your Tibebua. And the assembly now, assembly can assembly, no. And no, you know, say a mayor approval on this document. About what the Nanajo, Abraham Yahweh. No one can from say any man upon. Yeah, but so say Musa said, in which authority, and now in what authority, and for the demolition, because I know you have approval of that document.
I see. So now, you see, sir, the mayor showed disrespect to the assembly. Yes. But say no credit, who say a total disrespect
to the assembly. Because you don't have any authority. You are a manager. You implement the decisions and resolutions of the assembly. So per this implementation, what decision or resolution from the assembly that you based on to do this implementation? And yeah, woman reading 7 minutes in Inchamo.
Who say the building has become a life-threatened building. AB, when pulling it down, the best I be see no any.
Minia. Say they 3 years are the other one who and somebody buy any. Mike. So I'll put you up for question now. Then other one move, nothing so to 2. And man on or the best who says they are my banner. You know, I love Zuba.
Yeah.
We all we want to help him to build Kumasi so the Obejini, they were very young. But on starting, show respect to us. Time delaying doesn't mean anything. It will rather give us the fair decision for you to work. If you try to rush like this, then it gives us different decision what taking.